I will request all the participants to introduce themselves one by one. Red House, you can start.
My name is Akshita Joshi.
Class 7th.
Red House.
Pradyum Kumar Singh from class 8A, Red House.
Please mention your house also.
Nilesh Kapkoti from class 6B, Blue House. Mohammad Umar from class 7B, Blue House.
Drone Shah from class 8B, Blue House.
Class 6B, Yellow House.
Rohit Panwal, class 7th, Yellow House.
Siddharth Kumar from class 8B, Yellow House.
True false round for that. Okay. Is it clear? First question for Red House. What is the basic unit of life called?
Cell.
Correct answer. For the same house, name the device used to measure temperature.
Thermometer.
Name the hardest natural substance.
Diamond.
Right answer. Question number 2 for you. Which gas do we inhale that is essential for survival?
Oxygen.
For you, which organ pumps blood throughout the body?
Heart.
Correct answer. Second question for you. Name the acid used in car batteries.
Sulfuric.
Correct answer. In the body fights infections.
Immune system.
Correct answer. The last question for you. Which blood cells help the body fight diseases?
White blood cell.
Correct answer. The largest organ of the human body. It is true or false? Right answer. Gravity is the force that pulls objects towards Earth.
True.
Right answer. Time removes waste from the blood. It's true or false?
False.
Correct answer. Next question for you. Kelvin is the SI unit of electric current. It's true or false?
False.
Correct answer. The part of flower is called pistil. It's
False.
true or false?
False.
Correct answer. Phloem carries food from leaves to other part.
True.
Correct answer. Joule is the SI unit of force.
False.
Correct answer. Last question for you. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. It's
True.
true or false?
True.
Correct answer. What is known as the brain of the computer? And your options are CPU, UPS and speaker.
CPU.
Correct answer. For you, litmus turns blue in acid, base or both.
Base.
Correct answer. Type of memory is permanent and your options are ROM, RAM and both.
Rome.
Correct answer. Next question for you. Name the acid found in lemon and your options are citric acid, malic acid, tartaric acid.
Citric acid.
Correct answer. Greenhouse questions for you. Which software is used? Identifying the pictures. Clear? So each house will be identifying 2 pictures. But my first question will be for red house. Afterwards, means one by one you are going to identify. Is it clear? The first question is 15 seconds only. It is for red house. Can you identify the picture?
Pen drive.
For the next house. Yes, blue house. This is for you, beta.
Printer.
Correct. You is. Can you identify this?
Speaker. Joystick.
Correct answer. It's a joystick. Okay. Organ. The 5th picture, ma'am.
Liver.
Liver. House. It is for you. Can you name this organ?
Large intestine.
For you,
Kidney.
kidneys. Correct answer. Greenhouse.
Replicate.
Yes.
Ribcage.
You will be getting 45 seconds to answer. Okay. Each correct answer carries 100. So first question is for you. What is the name of the colored part of the eye?
Iris.
It's iris. Correct answer. What type of joint is the knee?
Hinge.
Correct answer. What is the process by which plants make their food?
Photosynthesis.
Correct answer. A metal that is liquid at room temperature.
Mercury.
Correct answer. Chemical used in matchsticks.
Phosphorus.
Correct answer. What form of energy does the sun give?
Solar.
Correct answer. Which force opposes motion?
Friction.
Correct answer. What is the bouncing back of light called?
Reflection.
Can you repeat it?
Reflection. Reflection.
Correct answer. What is the shortcut key for pasting text?
Control bar.
Yes, can you repeat it? Operating system is developed by Microsoft.
Windows.
Correct answer. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Okay. So what part of the digestive system absorb nutrients?
Small intestine.
Right answer. How many chambers are there in the human heart?
4.
Correct answer. Which part of the plant absorbs water and minerals?
Root.
Correct answer. Gas used in balloons?
Helium.
Correct answer. Most abundant gas in air?
Nitrogen.
Correct answer. What is the change of state from solid to liquid called?
Melting. Ma'am, can you repeat?
What is the change of state from solid to liquid called?
Sublimation.
Solid to liquid. It's wrong
Melting.
answer.
Melting.
No, wrong answer. He said melting firstly. So that is correct answer. What color of light has the longest wavelength? All 10 correct answers. Which organ removes waste from the body? Blood.
Kidney.
Correct answer. Which part of the body contains the smallest bones?
Ear.
Correct. Name the green pigment needed for photosynthesis.
Chlorophyll.
Right answer. Name the solution that can't dissolve more solute.
Saturated solution.
Correct answer. What is the SI unit of energy?
Joule.
Correct answer. What is the unit of frequency?
Hertz.
Right answer. What color of light has the shortest wavelength?
Violet.
Correct answer. Which device is used to break or complete an electric circuit?
Switch.
Correct answer. What is the shortcut key to cut text?
Control plus X.
Correct answer. What does www stand for?
World Wide Web.
Correct answer. What does the liver produce to help digest fat?
Bile.
Correct answer. What is the name of the tube that carries food from mouth to stomach?
Esophagus.
Right answer. Which plant part helps in reproduction?
Flower.
Correct answer. Name the substance that neutralizes acid.
Basis.
Correct. What do we call the energy of motion?
Amper.
Wrong answer. What is the smallest particle of an element known as?
Atom.
Correct answer. Which instrument measures voltage?
Voltmeter.
Right answer. What kind of mirror is shaving mirror?
Concave.
Correct. Which key combination is used to undo the last action?
Control plus Z.
Correct answer. Now, which component processes all the instructions in a computer?
Processor.
Right answer. So nice, Tina. So my question is, which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? What is the common name of calcium carbonate? What is the common name of calcium carbonate? हम local language में बोलते हैं calcium carbonate.
Cal.
Question for both of you. Now, what type of software is MS? What type of software is MS? Side view mirror.
Wait.
Let me finish the question, beta, firstly.
Don't give answers. Wait. Give your answer.
Convex.
2. What is the tendency ability of an object to stay at rest or motion.
Inertia.
What is used to protect circuits from high?
Fuse.
Correct answer.